Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hey there! In this video, I will explain how to program your Ford Taurus key fob. This easy guide will help you get your new or replacement key fob working in just a few minutes. First, make sure you have all key fobs you want to program ready, as they must all be done together. Also, confirm your vehicle's battery is fully charged and all doors are securely closed before we start the process. Now, let's get your vehicle into programming mode. Begin by opening the driver's door, then press the unlock button on the door panel. Next, insert your key into the ignition. You'll need to turn the ignition from the OFF position to the RUN position 8 times within a quick 10-second window, ending on RUN. You'll know you're in programming mode when the door locks cycle, indicating success. With your vehicle in programming mode, it's time to sync your key fobs. Within 20 seconds, press any button on the first key fob you wish to program. The door locks will cycle once more, confirming that this key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, repeat this step for each one, pressing any button on them within 20 seconds. The locks will cycle after each successful programming. To finalize the process, simply turn the ignition to the OFF position. The door locks will cycle one last time, signaling that you have successfully exited programming mode. Now, remove your key from the ignition and take a moment to test all of your newly programmed key fobs. Make sure that all the lock and unlock functions operate correctly, ensuring your key fobs are ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.